Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install Brave browser in Windows 10 step by step. Let's start. Begin with clicking on the Windows button and search for your default browser. If you didn't install any browser before, it would be either Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. So select either of them. We will continue with Internet Explorer to be the same for everyone. When the browser gets open, type google.com and press enter, then wait for the website to load. In the search box, search for Brave browser. Select the brave.com website and wait to open. In the center part of the site, you can see a download button. Click on the download button and wait to see the save dialog. Press save, and after that click on view download. I hope you enjoy until here. Consider subscribing to our channel to get the notification for next tutorials about Brave browser. Thank you. Let's continue. It will take a couple of seconds to install and load, be patient. Congratulations, you now have one of the best browsers in the market. As you see, this browser is much better than the Internet Explorer. You can customize your browser from here. To make sure you now have the latest version of the Brave browser, click on the top right menu and from Help select About Brave. As you see, under the version it will show that it is up to date. The last step is making the Brave default browser. Click on Windows button on your computer and search for default apps, and then open it. In web browser app, select Brave. Now you have the latest version of the Brave browser and made it the default browser. Thank you for watching. For learning more about Brave browser and other tricks on computer, subscribe. See you soon.